Mastering Comparisons in English, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that often pops up in both written and spoken English. Make the comparison. Understanding this phrase can significantly improve your ability to communicate effectively in English, especially when evaluating similarities or differences. So, let's get started and explore how to use this phrase like a native speaker. Make the comparison is a phrase used when you're examining two or more items, ideas, people, or situations to identify similarities and differences between them. It's about evaluating characteristics or qualities to understand how they are alike or how they differ. This phrase is fundamental in academic writing, business reports, and everyday conversations when you need to discuss the pros and cons or simply differentiate between choices. Using make the comparison can vary depending on the context. Let's look at some examples to see how it can be applied in real-life situations. Comparing objects. When you make the comparison between a laptop and a tablet, consider factors like portability, functionality, and price. Analyzing ideas. To make the comparison between two political theories, we must examine their principles, implementations, and outcomes. Discussing people. Making the comparison between two leaders requires understanding their policies, leadership styles, and impacts on society. Notice that when making comparisons, it's crucial to establish a basis for comparison, that is, a reason or criteria you're using to compare. 1. Be clear about your criteria. Before making comparisons, define the aspects you're comparing. This clarity will help your audience understand the basis of your comparison. 2. Use comparative and superlative forms. Adjectives and adverbs play a significant role in making comparisons. Remember the rules for their comparative and superlative forms, e.g., big, bigger, biggest. 3. Balance your comparison. Ensure that you're comparing similar aspects of each item to maintain a fair and balanced perspective. 4. Incorporate transitional phrases. Phrases like, on the other hand, similarly, or in contrast, can help smoothly guide your audience through your comparison. Congratulations! You now understand how to make the comparison in English. This phrase is a powerful tool for analyzing and communicating complex ideas, objects, or situations. By practicing the tips we've discussed, you'll become more proficient in making comparisons, which is an invaluable skill in both academic and everyday settings. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Happy learning!